Hey, so today we're going to show you some behind the scenes of us 3D scanning a client's molds. We're at their facility right now, and as you can see, we're doing a ring deck, a stringer system, and a liner. And what this offers the manufacturer is we can develop 3D files where we can develop core kits, engineering drawings, and help them out even developing new products. If you or someone you know has a need for this, please give us a call. We'd love to help you with this and point you in the right direction. Easiest way to reach us is on our website, www.NuWaveComposites.com.